beautiful noise going on everywhere, like a clickety-clack of a train on a track. It's got rhythm to spare. It's a beautiful noise, and it's sounded I love. It gets me as well as a hand in a gun. Yes it does, yes it does. What a beautiful noise coming up from above. It's the song of the kids and the reason to love. It's the song of the past, of the purest place. And the song of the romance, every flavor of dance, every letter of line. It's a beautiful noise, it's a sound that I love, and it makes me feel good. Yes it does, yes it does. What a beautiful noise. Ba 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 ba. It's a beautiful world, made up of the spray, like a sympathy parade, of a passing parade. It's the music of love. It's a beautiful noise, and the sound that I love, and it makes me feel good, just like heaven above. Yes it does, yes it does. What a beautiful world coming to my room, and it's waiting for me just to give it a well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting little lesson preview for forthcoming lesson. Work in progress, as you can hear, just smoothing out little bumps, etc. But I thought I'd just do a quick take on it so you can see what's coming up shortly. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed that, and of course, if you didn't recognise it, it was Beautiful Noise from Neil Diamond, of course. Bit tricky in places, but it's an interesting song to play. Anyway, thanks very much for listening, and hopefully join me soon for the breakdown of the more perfected version. Bye for now.